Are you thinking about selling your business someday? If you are, stick with me. I've got 3 tips on how you can start getting ready for that process. The first tip is start early, and I'll tell you more about that in just a minute. In the meantime, if you don't know who I am, my name is Scott Miller. I'm the owner of thegrowthleague.com, and I'm making videos like this because I'm passionate about helping owners get more profitable, reducing the chaos in their business, and building something they can sell for a significant amount of money when they decide it's time to move on someday. So back to my 3 tips. Tip number 1 is start early. Over and over, I talk to restoration owners who are mentally ready to sell. They start the process only to realize it's not worth what they thought it was worth, and it might be difficult to sell for a couple of reasons that we'll talk about in just a minute. So start the process early. Don't wait until you're absolutely ready and you say, I've got to sell this business. Start to prepare now. Number 2, know your numbers. Your numbers are going to be scrutinized like never before when you go through the due diligence process with a prospective buyer. So you've got to understand your numbers inside and out. You've got to be able to know your profitability by division. You've got to understand your cost of goods sold. You've got to understand your overhead. You've got to be able to answer all the questions that will come up during due diligence about your numbers. Step number 3 is you've got to work yourself out of the day-to-day operations. Most people buying a business of significant value don't want to buy a job that includes them doing lower level field work and administrative tasks. So you've got to start to systematically work yourself out of the day-to-day operations to make your business attractive to a potential buyer. If you want to know more about how I might be able to help you with any of this, book a call with me and we'll talk. In the meantime, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.